EU fishing to Roro Italian flag to Embark 1116. As we know, European Union is helping very much indeed the fishing community. That's why whether you have a full-time job but can only fish for 6 months, apply crew inspector in Candina, not English required, because we need officers, ratings, and also catering, cooks, personnel, Italian flag. The ships are Roros 37,000 ton to 67,000 ton, Italian flag, very good experts, very good professionals, the biggest Roro company in Europe, 22 Roros, state of the art, very modern, where your career can develop, because whether you are an AB or a messman or a cook, being part of this company is a huge achievement, because those ships of 37,000 tons and 67,000 tons are the biggest and the most modern and will be forever. Therefore, apply urgently if you are in the fishing, either if you only want to join for 4 months, 6 months. Now is the time to try it regarding your fishing activity. But if you want to change to Roros, also is very important the ABs to have the certification 2.4 or 2.5, and we need also electricians 5,000 euros net, the ABs 2,850, second engineer 7,000, third engineers 4,800 euros, and please apply, like and subscribe and inform all your social media groups, because this opportunity will stay here. If you are sailing in the South Pacific, whatever, this is just Mediterranean, North Mediterranean, very close to your Spain joining or Italy joining embarkment, and very close to your family. Molte grazie, arrivederci.